In this video, you will learn how to set and customize self-timer on Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. The self-timer lets you take a predefined number of shots after a predefined timer expires. By default, the timer is set to take 3 shots with 5 seconds as the first interval. I will show you how to customize this too. The self-timer on Nikon D5600 has a dedicated button and it is located here in the front. It gives you access to the release mode menu where you can select the self-timer. The last option in the release mode is the timer. It is currently at 5 seconds and that is its default value. To set the self-timer as the release mode, you can simply tap on the timer option or you can use the buttons to highlight the timer option and press OK. Now the timer mode is activated. You can see the timer of 5 seconds at the top if you are in the live view mode. Even if you are not in live view mode, pressing on the I button will show you if you are in self-timer mode. Now, all you have to do is compose the image, make sure the image is in focus and press the shutter button. Once you press the shutter button, the self-timer lamp will start blinking. And 2 seconds before the capture, the lamp will stop flashing. The shutter will be released 5 seconds after the shutter button is pressed. By default, it will again capture an image after about 4 seconds and then another one to complete the 3 default captures. You can change the initial interval and the number of shots taken from the settings. For that, open Menu, go to Custom Settings, open Timers and select Self-Timer, which is the third menu item. Here, you can select the initial interval from a predefined list of 4 intervals ranging from 2 seconds to 20 seconds. I am setting it to 10. From the second option, you can select the number of captures. You can set a number from 1 to 9. If you select anything more than 1, after the initial capture, all the other captures will happen about 4 seconds after the previous one and not after the self-timer delay you set. That means, even when I have set the self-timer delay as 10 seconds, the second capture will happen about 14 seconds after I press the shutter release and not at 20 seconds. Now, with the new settings, 2 images will be taken with a timer of 10 seconds for the first one. Another thing I need to mention here is that the self-timer will get deactivated and the camera will go back to single frame mode once you complete the captures using the self-timer. So, you need to activate self-timer mode every time you want to use it. If you press the release mode button, you can see that the timer has changed to 10 seconds instead of the previous 5 seconds. But the currently active mode is the single frame. You can see the change in the info display too. If you cannot see the self-timer info on the display, just use the info button and cycle through the different layouts until you find this one. Now you can take photos in the newly set self-timer settings. So, this is how you use a self-timer and customize its settings on a Nikon D5600 DSLR camera. Thanks for watching this video. Have a happy day.